We're out here at Aratula, about an hour and a half's drive out of Brisbane, looking at a roading project that was sprayed in October with our EnviroMatrix plus EnviroBond Stormguard polymer. They couldn't water the area, some topsoil was placed, and after significant rain events during December and early January, we now have just an amazing stand of grass, which does include the cover crop of millet, but there's other grasses growing in amongst it. You can see down and through here, if we look into it, there's cooch, there's other species of panicum grasses germinating, which would have been in the seed mix. So it's not just a cover crop strike, which eventually will die off. We'll end up with a permanent outcome here with the diversity of grasses that's required for a successful revegetation project. And note how healthy and how tall the millet and these grasses are growing. They're perfectly green, going to seed at the right time. It's just, credit to the microbial system that's included in the EnviroMatrix product and how the microbes can stimulate the soil biology and start the whole process.